Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI the Fun Way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Percy, and for today's lesson we have one person that sent through 11 translations, and that person is Daniel. Daniel, thanks again for your continued support. And these are the things that Daniel wanted to know. The very first thing that Daniel wanted to know was, why is that what you want to do? And that in TWI can be said as Adɛn na ɛno na wopɛsɛ woyɛ. Again, Adɛn na ɛno na wopɛsɛ woyɛ. One last time. Adɛn na ɛno na wopɛsɛ woyɛ. And the second thing that Daniel wanted to know was, stop that foolishness. And that in TWI can be said in two ways. Now the very first way of saying that could be Gyae gyimisɛm no. Again, Gyae gyimisɛm no. One last time. Gyae gyimisɛm no. And the second way one can actually say that is Gyae nkwaseasɛm no. Again, Gyae nkwaseasɛm no. One last time. Gyae nkwaseasɛm no. And the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, write it well. Again, write it well. Now that in TWI can be said as Twerɛ no yie. Again, Twerɛ no yie. One last time. Twerɛ no yie. And the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, I don't want that horrible food to eat. Again, I don't want that horrible food to eat. Now that in TWI can be said in two possible ways. Now the first way one can actually say that is Menni aduane tantan no. Again, Menni aduane tantan no. One last time. Menni aduane tantan no. Now the second way one can possibly say that again could be Mempɛ aduane tantan adi. Again, Mempɛ aduane tantan adi. One last time. Mempɛ aduane tantan adi. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, the house is too big. One last time. The house is too big. Now that in TWI can be said as Efie no so dodo. Again, Efie no so dodo. One last time. Efie no so dodo. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, life is what you make it, never give up. Again, life is what you make it, never give up. Now that in TWI can be said as Ɔbra warabo ɛnpa. Again, Ɔbra warabo ɛnpa. Now Ɔbra warabo is life is what you make it. Ɛnpa is don't give up. So again, Ɔbra warabo ɛnpa. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, I wish. Now I wish in TWI can be said as Mɛnyaa. Again, Mɛnyaa. Again, Mɛnyaa. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, I like that shirt. Now that in TWI can be said in two ways. Now the first way one can possibly say that is Mempɛ atadeɛ. Again, Mempɛ atadeɛ. So Mempɛ is basically I like. Sa is that specific. Atadeɛ will be this shirt. Again, Mempɛ atadeɛ. One last time. Mempɛ atadeɛ. Now the second way one can possibly say that is Menni atadeɛ ho. Again, Menni atadeɛ ho. One last time. Menni atadeɛ ho. So basically Menni is I like. Basically if you say Menni adeɛ ho, you're saying I like this specific thing, or I like this thing. So Menni atadeɛ ho would be I like this shirt. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, how did you get that for that price? Now that in TWI can be said as Ɛbaa no sɛn na wonyaa yei or wei saa boy. Again, Ɛbaa no sɛn na wonyaa wei, or you can say yei saa boy. And the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, tie it well before it drops and I deal with you. Now that in TWI can be said as Kyekyere no yie na antɔ fam na manntwe waso. Again, Kyekyere no yie na antɔ fam na manhwe waso. So basically Kyekyere is tie it well. Na antɔ form is basically so it doesn't fall. Na manhwe waso will basically so I don't deal with you. Right? So again, Kyekyere na antɔ form na manhwe waso. The last thing that Daniel wanted to know was, leave it to me, I will do it better than you. Now that in Twi can be said in two ways. Now the very first way one can actually say that is Gyae mame maye nuye asen. Again, Gyae mame maye nuye asen. One last time, Gyae mame maye nuye asen. So again, Gyae mame is leave it to me. Maye nuye is I'll do it well, I'll do it better. Asneu is basically better than you or pass you. Right? Now the second way one can actually say that is Gyae mame maye nuye achen. Again, Gyae mame maye nuye achen. One last time, Gyae mame maye nuye achen, which again is Gyae mame is leave it to me. Maye nuye is I'll do it well or better. Achen than you. Guys, that's it for this week's lesson. I just want to say thank you to Daniel for sending in through your comments. I really appreciate it. I just want to thank all my old subscribers and my new subscribers. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here right now. Please continue spreading the word. Let anyone who wants to learn Twi come to this channel. And if they like the content of the channel, they might actually become part of the family. And please guys, remember, if you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And remember guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, right, or you haven't liked any of the content that I've actually pushed out, please do. Please do, because that helps with my YouTube stats, right? And also remember to go to Google Store. Please download the Twi Junior Pro app. With that and these lessons, you learn Twi quicker. Guys, remember to stay safe. And remember, we're trying to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. Please help the channel grow. I really appreciate each and every one of you. With lots of love from Kwesi. See you next week. Bye.